Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. There's been a lot of chatter about Samsung's upcoming folding phone, sometimes referred to as the Galaxy X, and how it might work when it finally arrives, which is early in 2019, if you believe the rumors. It's very exciting and all, but the problem is, it can be difficult to visualize the device being described. With this in mind, we've decided to illustrate some of the concepts discussed in recent speculation to give you a better picture. A primer on folding phones. Samsung and other Android manufacturers have been preparing for years to produce a new kind of smartphone. These would take advantage of flexible displays so that they can fold without being damaged. The phone's body may make use of a hinge to allow this fold to take place, though the body itself, and possibly the battery too, may also be able to bend. The precise way in which these phones would fold stems from one key design decision: inward folding, infolding, or outward folding, outfolding, screens. The infolding approach would be like that of a clamshell device. You would open it to reveal the display, seen below, right. The outfolding approach would be to include a flexible display that wraps around the front and back of the device, below, left. Either way, the device is expected to operate just like a small tablet or large phablet when completely unfolded. Samsung has reportedly prototyped both types of handset, but current speculation suggests its first generation of folding phones will adopt the infolding approach. Let's now take a look at what kind of designs they might have. The Galaxy X's folding phone design. Below are 3 ideas we've heard about for Samsung's folding phone. For the purposes of this article, let's assume the device will have an 18:9 display when unfolded, though this format may change when folded. A phone that folds 3 times, via Patently Mobile. A phone with a 7.3-inch display that folds to leave a 4.5-inch usable area, via MK. A phone with a 7 to 8-inch display that folds 2/3 of the way up, via ET News.